Hi everyone, I'm starting my first project with the Arduino Uno 3. I already watched a tutorial and I'm ready to dive in, so I'm basically redoing what I saw in the tutorial. I already plugged in my Arduino Uno 3 on my PC and I'm ready to give it a try. And I already prepared the breadboard with a red LED and a resistance, which is 220. Now I will plug in my Arduino like it's done in the tutorial. Okay, I just plugged the Arduino with my breadboard, I hope correctly as I saw in the tutorial. And let's open the Arduino IDE and simulate the code as I saw in the tutorial and see whether I will burn the diode or not. It's compiling. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Let's see. Okay. Let's press on upload. Okay, I just compiled and uploaded the code, but nothing happens. Let's see in the tutorial what I did wrong. Okay, I got some errors. So I pressed the red button, but the LED does blink only one time and not many times, and I get many errors. So I will have to check for why. Okay, it's working, guys. The problem was that I selected the wrong board or the wrong port, so that was the mistake. Yeah, it's blinking, I'm happy. So as I told you in the first video, while I was unpacking my Arduino 3 set, hopefully we will build many more good stuff. For the first time, I'm happy to see that it's blinking and I can handle the Arduino IDE. So we will see what we will do in the future. Thank you guys. I hope you subscribe my channel and maybe in 5 years we will do many good big stuff together. Who knows? And leave a like.